Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create email templates in Outlook using quick parts. So there are two options to create templates in Outlook, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create templates using quick parts, and the another option is to use my templates added. And we have another video on our channel how to do this. So let's go in how to do it using quick parts. So what you want to do is just, create a new email and to create a template you want to have in. I have created some draft not to bother you with, writing something. And this is how. Just get into this, new mail section window. What you want to do right now is just select what you want to have in your template. So write something, then just select it and do the following steps. And this is a disclaimer. With using quick parts, you can either format the text, add some images, add links, add everything you can do with creating an email. So the template can be, as you want it to be. You can do whatever you want with it, but you can only use quick parts on the computer that you have created the quick part. This is not going to work on another computer or in the Outlook in the web. This is only going to work in the specific PC that you have created the template using quick parts. So let's just select it, and then you want to go to this insert section right here and click this arrow right here, quick parts. So save selection to quick part gallery. And now you can write the name of this template. So I'm going to just name it template 1. You can select the gallery in which this should be saved, or even a category, and you can create categories of the quick parts. I'm not going to use it because this is enough for me. And as you can see, you have a description of it and save where and options how to do it. So let's now just click OK. And we have now created a template. So for example, let's reply to this email right now. Let's just click reply. Where's reply? Let's just open it and then reply. And now if you want to just get the template right here, we want to go to quick parts, and then we have the template 1 right here. So we can just click on it, or to do it faster, we can add quick parts to the quick access bar, or even just write the name of our template and then click F3, not F+3, but the F3 key on our keyboard. So F3, and as you can see, we have just inserted our template. So this is it. This is how you create and use templates using quick parts in Outlook. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit the like and hit the subscribe button. Bye!